Is Tawk.to not working on your website? This can happen if the chat widget isn't installed correctly, your internet connection is unstable, your browser has cached outdated files, or there's a temporary service issue. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Tawk.to not working step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open a few websites to confirm you're online, then refresh the page containing your Tawk.to widget. A stable connection is required for the dashboard and live chat to work correctly. Next, sign into your Tawk.to dashboard and confirm that the widget installation code is still present on your website. If the code was removed or edited accidentally, copy the latest version from the dashboard and install it again. Now clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser. You can also try opening your website in a private browsing window or a different browser to see whether the issue is browser-specific. If the widget still isn't working, temporarily disable browser extensions such as ad blockers and check whether your antivirus, firewall, VPN, or proxy is blocking Tawk.to. After making changes, reload your website and test the chat widget again. Finally, if everything looks correct but Tawk.to still isn't working, check whether the service is experiencing temporary maintenance or an outage. If there is a service issue, you'll simply need to wait until it's resolved before testing again, and that's how to fix Tawk.to not working. By checking your connection, verifying the widget installation, clearing your browser cache, reviewing your security settings, and confirming the service status. You can resolve most common Tawk.to issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.